Hello there! So today we're going to have a look at how to download OpenShot Video Editor and install it. So OpenShot Video Editor is free and open source video editor for Windows, and it does mean it's absolutely free. So if you type in OpenShot into Google, you'll get the official website, which is openshot.org. If you click on that, consent to the cookies, and it promises that you can create stunning videos. So if you press download at the top there, it automatically determines which one is best for you. Don't get tricked by these ads. These are not the downloads. This is Windows 64-bit installer, compatible with 64-bit versions of Windows 7, 8, 10 Plus. That also includes 11. So you can click the download version 3.1.1 button, and it starts the download. The download itself is 188 megabytes, so not too large considering the size of most video editors. If you look at something like DaVinci Resolve, it's gigabytes worth. So if we look at some of the features, we've got cross-platform video editing, so it supports Linux and Mac as well. Support for many video and audio and image formats. Powerful curve-based keyframe animations. Cool, comes with a good animation framework capable of unlimited numbers of keyframes. Desktop integration, drag and drop, unlimited tracks and layers, clip resizing, scaling, trimming, snapping, rotation and cutting, video transitions with real-time previews, compositing, images, overlays and watermarks, title templates, title creation, subtitles, 3D animated titles and effects, advanced timeline, frame accuracy, time mapping, audio mix and editing, digital video effects. So what more could you actually want from that? And when it's finished downloading, we're currently on OpenShot version 3.1.1. If you single click it to open it, and then click yes on user access control, it'll ask you to select setup language, so it's got many different ones. We're going to select English British and press OK. It was released under the GNU General Public License, which you've probably read a million times before. You do need to accept the agreement to continue on to the next step. And the default location it's going to install to is Program Files, OpenShot Video Editor, which is absolutely fine for us. It requires about 640 megabytes of disk space, so not too much. And on the next screen, you can create additional icons. So you can associate OpenShot Video Editor with the .osp file extension, which is recommended because those are OpenShot files. When you double click on them in Windows Explorer, it opens up in OpenShot. You can also choose to create a desktop icon by ticking that, or leave it unchecked if you're not bothered with that, and add the exception to Windows Firewall for actually sending anonymized usage and error information. You can untick that if you're worried about privacy or you don't want to add that exception to the firewall, so we'll uncheck that. And if you click next, it'll summarize your choices, so the destination, location and the additional tasks, and then you can click install. At this point, it will start installing the OpenShot Video Editor files, and this will take a couple of minutes. As we can see, it does whiz through the installation process relatively quickly. A couple of minutes was probably an overestimate. It's probably only going to take about a minute. But as it whizzes through those files, it's getting OpenShot Video Editor 3.1.1 ready for use for us. It's installed a lot of pictures which can be used in your videos itself, and then once it's completed the setup, you'll get this finish screen and an option to launch OpenShot Video Editor. If you want to launch it later, uncheck that, but as we want to now, we want to launch OpenShot Video Editor, so we'll leave that checked and press finish. Now once you do that, there's no need to start the application manually there. It will pop up Windows Defender Firewalls block some of the features, so we're not going to tick public networks, but we are going to allow it to communicate on private networks and press allow access. It allows stuff like automatic updates. So if we do that, that's done. And then welcome to OpenShot Video Editor. Perfect. So we're ready to go here with OpenShot Video Editor. And hope that helps. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and we shall see you again shortly. Bye.